Hello, I'm Mac.
I'm Sarah and welcome to our channel.
And welcome to our Newbie's Caravan vlog.
We're pitched up at Plough Lane Caravan site, which is a tranquil touring park and adults only site near Chippenham.
This video is going to be a little bit of us getting to grips with our caravan. This is only our first full proper trip with it, so we're going to show you some caravan stuff and we're also going to give you a bit of a tour of the site. The timeline of this video may be a little bit wibbly wobbly, timey wimey, but what we can promise you is lots of snacks.
Shots of our dog asleep.
Getting to grips with our caravan.
And me beating Mac at cards. A lot.
Morning from Plough Lane campsite in Chippenham. This is Bank Holiday Thursday. I'm not sure I've ever had a Bank Holiday Thursday. It's the one for the Jubilee. So it's going to be a lovely relaxing day for us. The sun is shining and we've been busy out and about visiting villages each day this week in the Cotswolds, and you'll want to check out that video if you are visiting the Cotswolds. There are some lovely places. So today we're just going to take it easy. So we're getting everything set up outside for a nice sunny breakfast. Sarah's just off in the shower, and I've opened up the two sort of big side panels of the awning, and so we've got somewhere shady but also hopefully cool to sit, and as Sarah has disappeared off to the showers, Dozer is keeping watch to see when she comes back. Bless him. In a minute I'm going to nip down to the supermarket. Nearest one to here is Morrison's, which is like 4 minutes drive away. I'm going to get some breakfast provisions and make a tasty breakfast of sausages, tomatoes, maybe mushrooms, and some toast and some nice hot coffee. Breakfast is served.
Well, it's kind of brunch.
Actually, it is brunch.
Oh, it looks good though.
I'm so hungry now. I don't know what time it is because my watch is charging. But it's definitely
11:15.
11:15. Oh man.
Definitely brunch.
Yeah, definitely brunch.
It's nice though. We've had a nice lazy morning.
We have had a lazy morning. It's been nice. We've been rushing about a bit this week, haven't we? So it's been nice to have a lazy morning.
Dozer is a fan of lazy mornings.
He sure is.
Hi, you come to see what sausages we've got. Yeah. You're a good boy,
They're
aren't
vegetarian
you?
sausages.
Vegetarian sausages, you won't enjoy them.
Breakfast. I now feel very contented and ready to relax for the day. The sun has gone in a bit now, so I put my fleece on because it's a bit chilly. In other news, the campsite is now pretty full. Lots of people have arrived and set up. We have neighbours both sides now, but obviously to be expected, long bank holiday weekend, plenty of campers, high campers. So we're sitting outside, we're just having a cup of tea.
Is this is just a vlog of us eating, isn't it? I think every time we film a clip, it's basically, we've got this food, we're drinking this beer, we've got a cup of tea.
Okay, so in a minute we'll film some stuff that is not us eating. We're going to take the dog for a little walk shortly, aren't we? Mm-hmm. Have a little walk around the dog field. We'll show you. So we've got quite a nice, it's very dog friendly. There are dogs everywhere, and there's a nice little field to walk the dogs around, isn't there? Yeah, so we'll have a little look around there in a minute. Currently, and this vlog is eating and Dozer sleeping. There he is. Had a nice couple of hours relaxing, and to break the habit of filming only us eating and Dozer sleeping, we're off to the dog walk. We're taking for a little stroll.
Yeah.
The site has this great dog walking field. She's a decent size, isn't it? Not too bad.
Not too bad.
So it's pretty good. If you don't want to drive out and take them for a long walk, a nice little stroll around here is just right, and that's all Dozer needs today. A nice little stroll around here, although he's stuck back there. I think somebody is barbecuing. And he's...
Yeah, he can smell something.
He wants their barbecue. Cheeky monkey.
Our Dozer bear is a real creature of habit. He loves his daily kongs, so even though we're away, we still make up the mixture, freeze a kong for him so he can enjoy a nice frozen kong. And it looks like Mac is getting ready with some snacks here.
Snacks and beer. Snacks and beer. The giant Budweiser, which we're sharing between us. I think it's a pint in a can. 568 mils. Is that a pint? I think so.
Dozer bear, look what I've got for you. You want this? You want a nice kong? Yeah, good boy. There you go. You have to take it somewhere shady. Nice. This will occupy him probably for only about 10 minutes. He's very good at emptying kongs now. He is 13. He's had a lot of practice. This is something that we should have remembered from our motorhoming days. There is a lot of interest from other people on the site. When you pitch up, when you get yourself set up, everyone's watching you. You know, maybe secretly people are hoping that you trip over an awning string or whatever. But we have enjoyed watching... Oh God, that sounds so creepy. It's always nice to see other people's setups, and from that you can learn what might work for you. And I'm sorry to our neighbour if you ever watch this, which you probably won't, and then you realise that I was secretly spying on you a little bit, but our neighbours, they've got a little motorhome and they've got an awning with a full oven, and I can see him out of the window and they're doing like a full-on proper dinner in it, like he's cooking his chips.
They've got an Nespresso
coffee machine. I mean, Mac did bring on Nespresso pods but left our Nespresso machine at home, so I'm kind of wondering if we went over there and asked, do you think he could let us put our Nespresso pods through his machine? Probably not.
That might be weird.
That might be weird, but I think they also have like a giant keg going on over there, keg of beer. So, you know, we're learning a lot from these people.
I don't know if you like pretzel bites, but these things are absolutely addictive. Probably have to leave it at that. Leave those in a packet, eat those.
And it took me a minute to beat him. A minute. I mean, it's the luck of the cards, right?
Apparently so, and apparently I never get the luck of the cards. I almost don't want to win now. I don't want to break my streak of losing. I want to break my losing streak. I'm another round down. Cheated again. I'm not even entirely sure if the hand I was playing for is allowed. Like it would have been a full, like a royal flush.
Yeah, you just needed the
flush
queen
or something.
Yeah,
You can do that, can't you?
yeah.
But I can't.
Oh my goodness, you won a hand.
I won a hand.
Well done.
One hand out of 95 or something like that. Well, we're roughing it tonight. We have got prawn curry with all the trimmings. Well, I say all the trimmings. We got naan bread, poppadoms, some mango chutney. There we go. And a movie. Oh, we've got some, what's this? Beer. Yeah, some Camden IPA. We're quite fond of that, aren't we?
So you know you've got a lot of food when you've had to open the proper table.
Yeah, we brought the proper table out. And we are going to watch Free Guy on Disney Plus.
The next day. Good morning from a sleepy Dozer, and the weather looks absolutely glorious today, which is exciting. We have got plans to visit a couple of villages in the Cotswolds and do a little bit of filming for our other video.
Yeah, we're going to Lower Slaughter and Bourton on the Water, which are next to each other, and they both look like really nice villages. So
Yes. We were trying to get out early this morning, but we are on holiday, so
yeah, it's 8:45.
it's not too bad. Not too bad.
Not too bad. So we've got a bit of brekkie. So we're going to head off in a minute, and actually what we're going to do is, as a teaser to the vlog for the prettiest villages in the Cotswolds, we'll pop a little bit in here.
We've just got back from another fun day out. That means it's time to do some caravan chores. Mac has done the toilet, I've just tidied and swept up the floor, and now it's time to go over and do the washing up. We tend to take our washing up over to use the facilities at the campsite just so that we don't fill up our own wastewater and use up our aqua rolls. So I'm off to do the washing up.
Have fun.
Has made us a delicious chili for dinner, and we are about to settle in with the rest of a movie on the laptop because we haven't got a TV sorted yet for the caravan, so a good evening ahead of us.
Well, this is us all ready for bed. This is how the bed looks when it's set up. It's plenty big enough for us, really comfy. And this is our last night. I'm not going to show ourselves on camera because we are not camera ready.
We're in our PJs.
No night, folks. Well, that's about us packed up and ready to go. All we've got to do now is hook the car up and we'll be on our way.
We hope you've enjoyed watching our very amateur caravan trip. If you've got any tips for newbies like us, please leave them in the comments below and let us know.
We'd love to know. But meanwhile, thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.